The Millie's Mingle event, held every Tuesday in Manchester. This Free Stater gathering is still not as big as it could be, but there is a way it could get bigger.
It's a big comet.
Comet cannot change course.
Have you seen the TV series called The 4400? Where lots of people are given special abilities? Well, everyone here at Millie's actually has a sort of special ability. One that could make the numbers increase. Actually, it's not a really special ability in the sense that every human has it. I call it the ability to trade. Actually, I guess everybody calls it the ability to trade. It is the ability to trade. I've always wished that more activists in New Hampshire would engage in more commerce within the movement. Ideally, each of us should be able to get, I don't know, a quarter or a third of our needs met by purchasing something from another liberty activist. And my dream is to see this Millie's Mingle event at Millie's Tavern become something people want to go to because attending means they can make a profit. I don't want it to turn into a sort of a flea market inside the tavern, but people could always bring things in their cars and zip outside to make trades. Probably things that are very small could be unobtrusively traded in the tavern without it, looking like a flea market. And of course, I guess that's where a lot of negotiation could take place. The handing out, the swapping price sheets or whatever. If you think about it, in the old days, saloons before prohibition, were places where people did trade. You could often cash a paycheck at your saloon. Some saloons even offered free meals. Can you believe that? All the almost 100 years of supposed advances since those primitive days, and now you can't get a free meal at your bar. I think it's because, life was just less complicated and there was less regulation back in the old days. Even though it cost more to make a ham sandwich, you could get one for free. They figured you'd buy enough beer to make up for it. Anyway, that's a little off topic. Again, the point I'm trying to make is that this movement will really prosper if it prospers. Trade between liberty activists needs to be more than something we just do at PorkFest, more than something we just do online. We need to be in the same place once a week and doing trade there, at least near there. That is what will really make the numbers grow. A good old-fashioned profit motive. I hope this would be a good complement to shireexchange.com, which is sort of the online version of a Shire, New Hampshire trading community. If you'd like to see a list of the things that are currently being sold and bought there, head to ridleyreport.com/trade. ridleyreport.com/trade. You can actually add there the things that you are buying and selling. Hopefully we can get this all maybe integrated into shireexchange.com in some way, but for now that's what we've got. We've got shireexchange.com and ridleyreport.com/trade. Or just walk up to me at the tavern and ask me what I'm buying and selling. Hopefully there'll be a match, because I am buying a lot of things. These include Gadsden flags. Well, I'm selling Gadsden flags, I'm buying generic silver, and I'm selling Liberty dollars. Plus, there's dozens of other things I'm buying and selling. Those are just the most interesting ones. Head to ridleyreport.com/trade, take a look and see what's going on. Another advantage of this that I hadn't thought to mention is that the more stuff you and I are trading, the more stuff we are comfortable owning. Because people don't want to own a lot of things just for their own use. They maybe only need one Gadsden flag, right? Or they maybe only need, 10 cans of tuna for the next year. But if you feel like you can trade more, then you're going to feel like you can own more or keep more on hand. And I think keeping more things on hand might be important over the coming years.